Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today we are going to create a floating shelf like this. Okay, first go to customize, then go inside system cabinet. Okay, then you will see steel frame, drag steel frame here. Okay, then you can see at the bottom got legs like this. We don't want the leg, so set the h1 to 0. Then you can change the thickness of the frame. T1 is the thickness. Okay, here I change to 20. Alright. Next, I change the height first. Change the height first to 600 or 400 also can. Then change the depth to 400. Okay. You can put your own dimension here. Alright. Right. So here I change the width to 1000. Okay. Set the elevation to 2000. Okay, another method to change the position is you can add numbers inside here. Okay, let's say I add 30, so it will move to the right. Okay, let's say here I put minus 70, it will also move to the right. Okay, so next I right click and copy. Okay, right click, copy, then copy another one. Okay, so this one change the size to smaller rectangle. Okay, change the width to 400. Okay. Alright, next copy it. Okay, so this rectangle we're going to move to the left here. Right, you can put that size here, 2400. Okay, 2400. Alright, so here the small rectangle got overlap. So here I adjust the size. Okay, you can put size inside here. $400. Okay. Alright, done. So you will get the top layer. Right, now next copy it to the bottom. Okay, make it go down 400. Okay, 400 because the height of this rectangle is 400. Right, then move 400 to the left. Okay, then copy. Right, going down 400. Okay, this one is the line between the first rectangle here. So make it 0. So it will snap next to each other. Okay, this one just click copy. Right click, copy. Okay, now move it down 400. Okay, 0. Alright, done. Now we got 2 layers of floating shelf. This one is just the frame. Okay, for the inside part. Okay, let's see the image first. Okay, here got frame. Okay, you can right click, add function part, go to functional part library, then system cabinet function part, then go to panel class. You will see steel frame parts. Okay, just drag it inside here. Okay, drag one. Then you can right click, evenly divided number 2. So it will divide for you like this. Okay, next we're gonna add inside here, got cabinet. Okay, we can right click, add function part, go to cabinets here, right, cabinets, then drag it inside here. Okay, then you can drag another one anywhere you want to drag. Okay, just place it inside. Okay, so now we have done with the cabinets. Here you can add shelf. Okay, right click, add function part, go to panel class. Okay, select the standard function parts, then drag shelf inside here. Right, drag shelf. Okay, you can drag anywhere you want. Right, done. Okay, to change the material, you can change here. Okay, you can select any material you like. Alright, another method to change the material is right click, go to material, carcass material. right? Carcass material, then change the material. Okay, next you can go to material painter. Okay, you can select this color, then paste it on the shelf here. So you don't need to change the material one by one. Okay, right, so now here I fast forward to changing the steel frame. Okay, I show you how. Okay, select the steel frame, then you can choose the material inside the style setting. Okay, here I choose dark gray, right? So let's see how it looks like after render. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You guys can try out. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.